guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. So today we'll be designing this party flyer. I just wanted to drop this one here, so I'll be dropping the full PSD also, so you can use it for your project, for your designs, for club flyer, for everything. So it's very simple and straightforward. So let me get right to it. So first I'll create a new page. I'll click on Control N for new. I use the page size 1080 by 1350. That was what I used. Now click create. Then I will come. Let me do a breakdown of how I got this. So this is a background that I got online. Let me Control C and Control V here. So this is a background that I got online. You can adjust like this. So what I did next here was to actually bring in my text. So you can do this in any order, in any single order. It's very simple and straightforward. It's really simple. So let me break down this text for you. You can see my night text. I use the font Mind regular size 61. Then for the gradient, you can see this is like a gradient. So I used the bevel and emboss inner bevel smooth depth 100, a depth 11, size 4. You can see these values here too. So this is the value I use. Vivid light 69. This is 60. Then for the satin I used overlay opacity at 9. Then distance 33, size 67. Then graded overlay I used this. And location 0, you can see I used location 0 I used FB 4732. And location 100, you can see I used FEE 949. Okay, then for drop shadow you can use any value for your drop shadow. You can adjust it to your preference. It's very simple and straightforward. Then for the body text, let me show you what I did in body text. I used a gradient also. Bevel and emboss 72, size 4, soften 0, satin. I used overlay, distance 33, size 67. Gradient overlay, I used this gradient, you can see. So I'll drop the free PSD file for you to use for your project. So let me continue with the design itself. You can see this lady's image is above this stuff. You can see her image here. So I use the Topaz adjustment lab settings. It's actually a setting that I got online. You can see you can use camera raw too to adjust your image. You can use camera raw, you can use anything to adjust it. So it's very simple and straightforward. You can see you can try to adjust your image anywhere. Then what I did next was to bring in an overlay, like I've always done, an overlay. Something like this. Control T to transform. Something like this. Now let me show you how I got this overlay. Let me lock this one. I'll create a new page, a new layer like this. Then my gradient 2 here. I'll click on my gradient 2. My foreground color, you can try to choose any color you want. Let me choose this color like this. You can see this color. Then I gently brush, like you can see, gently brush like this. Then I might come to my mask here. Then on my keyboard I press B. I increase my brush size. Then gently tap the face to have something like this. So my face will be visible and the rest will not be visible. So that's actually the plan here. So that was exactly how I got this one. Very simple and straightforward. Then let me come to the next one here. Just a simple text here, a simple text as usual, like I've always done in all my videos. Simple text here. You can have this, you can play around it. You can even have, I think I brought in an overlay. Then for the text, you will get this text are very simple and straightforward. This text you can see, this is normal, long, short, regular text. You can create a shape, put in your text here too. It's very simple and straightforward. But I'll be dropping the free PSD file for you. Then I added an overlay, you can see, to bring in more light to the place. Then I added color lookup to give more life to the entire design itself. So if you want to get the color lookup, you come to your angle here. You can see color lookup. You will choose the one you want. You can play around the color. You can play around anything you want. So it's very simple and straightforward. So if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask in the comment section, and I'll answer everything as it comes in. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, and don't forget to share and watch my other videos. Thank you very much.